Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 7th question in exercise 10.2. Two concentric circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So let's first draw a diagram to support these statements. So you have two concentric circles. I'm drawing a bigger circle and a smaller circle. Then it is a common center which I'm marking as O. And there is a line that is a chord for the outer bigger circle and which is a tangent to the inner circle. So I'm marking this like this. So this is A, P and B with the center here. Now the radius of the inner circle is obviously 3 centimeter. The radius of the outer circle, I'm marking that as 5 centimeters. So let's list out what is given to us so that we will be able to find out all the data that's required. So given AB is a chord to the bigger circle and P is tangent, or we can say AB is tangent at P. Now, we also know that OP is going to be equal to 3 centimeters and OA is equal to 5 centimeter because these are the radius that's given to us. So let's now try to find out what is asked to us. They're asking us find the length of the chord of the largest circle. So they want us to find out what is AB. In order to find AB, first I'm going to join OB. So let's take up the triangle AOP and triangle POB. So first we are going to prove congruency between these two triangles. So I'm going to say OA is equal to OB because that's the radius of the bigger circle. So that's the radius. Then OP is going to be the common side. So that is common side marked for us. And we also know that OP is going to be perpendicular. Therefore, angle OPA is equal to angle OPB is equal to 90 degrees. So this tells us that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle POB. And this also implies that AP is going to be equal to PB by CPCT of our proof. So if we find out what is AP, I can simply multiply it by 2 to get AB. So now let's take up the triangle. So in triangle OAP, we know that OP is perpendicular to AP. Therefore, OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. So we need AP square. AP square is OA square minus OP square, which is 5 square minus 3 square, the standard Pythagoras triplet. So this is equal to 4 square, which means AP is equal to 4. For us, we need AB. So AB is equal to 2 times of 4, which is 8 centimeters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 8th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.